This is my new Ryobi drill. It's a battery-powered drill, and it is a part of the Ryobi, I believe it's, 18-volt ONE Plus system. So if you've got one tool that is a Ryobi 18 Plus tool, the battery will fit on that tool just like it'll fit on this tool. So the batteries are all interchangeable. It comes in this nice carry bag, so you can keep it clean and tuck it away when you're not using it. That's battery number one. And here's the charger. Charger works like that. It's got these two little tabs on the side. That's what pulls it out. Two batteries. You get lithium, 18 volt, 1.5 amp. And then, of course, you get the drill. The drill has a put-together feel. It's got a good fit and finish to it. There's a nice satisfactory click. Switch has a nice satisfying snap to it. Let's see how it works. Yeah, everything works exactly the way it's supposed to work. Ryobi is what you would call a mid-range product, and there's a true value to products like these for people like me. I'm not in the construction business. I don't need construction tools. I need something like the Ryobi. When you include the second battery, well, you get a lot for what you give, and it's put together well. I don't know how much more you could want than that.